Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be a room tour. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe because there's going to be more videos on the way. Here we go. So from the doorway here, as you can see, when you first walk into the room, you see this. So here's my bedroom. And so when you walk in, this is my favorite part of the bedroom. This is the Nicolette bed from Z Gallerie in the color Pearl. When I first saw this bed, when I went to the States and saw it in Z Gallerie, I knew it had to be mine. I think they have it on their website in about 3 different colors. They have it in white, gray, and then this kind of beige cream color, which I love. So it's got these beautiful silver studs on it. So on this side of my room, you can see there's a double-sided mirrored closet, and it just adds a lot more light to the room, in my opinion. I mean, it's definitely old-fashioned. It's not my favorite element of the room because it doesn't look very modern. But you know what? It's not that bad. And right now, it's okay the way it is. I actually wanted to maybe knock down that wall at one point and extend this closet into the next room to make it kind of like a walk-in closet. But actually, that ended up being Moki's room, which is our cat, our sweet little kitty's room. So now he has his own room. I know there's kids in the world that don't have their own bedrooms, but he's a spoiled little cat and he has his own. And then this is my newest piece of furniture in the bedroom. It is my lingerie chest from Pier 1. It's part of the Hayworth collection, and it's called the lingerie chest in weathered oak. It's a really nice 7-drawer little lingerie chest where I keep, well, you guessed it, my lingerie. And it gives me more storage space for the room, so I like that. So I don't know what I'm going to be putting it on here for the long run. So for now, I just have a little candle on here and my little owl with his little hat on. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what I decide to put up here. Maybe another picture frame, maybe some flowers. You can kind of play with it. So I actually wanted this lingerie chest to be sort of flipped in the corner over there, or be right here between where the closet is and the corner of the room, but it just didn't look right. When we put it here, it just looked like it was a little too boxy. Although the mirrored part is on the front, on the side you can see there's that weathered oak finish. So it was kind of making the room look a little more boxed in. So we decided to put it in the corner, although hopefully it doesn't look too busy now with the side table next to it. So that's just what we're going to leave it at for now. So I had someone comment about my lamp. This is from Pier 1, actually. It's a really nice, beautiful glass finish, which I really like because it goes with the whole sort of glass theme that I have going on here. But it's still warm because of the lampshade. It's kind of a light cream color. So it adds to an overall warmth, and there's a little bit of gold in here too, which adds some warmth. That's why I actually ended up going with the weathered oak finish, because I do like the contrast between the modern glass look with a little bit of the wood look as well. I think it looks really pretty and just has that nice balance of both elements. This little rug here on the side of the bed is from Target. It's just a faux fur little cute rug. I think I got it for like $25. Moki loves to actually lay on this and lounge around when we're in bed, so that's cute. So the blanket that I have on the bed right now is actually also from Target. It's a blanket that we use to just keep warm in the winter time. Of course, underneath I have my white duvet cover and my white pillow sheets and just my fitted sheet over here. So I have to have white bedding. To me, it just looks beautiful. It looks clean and fresh. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a white throw in Target. This is the lightest one that I could find. So for now, it's just a light cream color. It doesn't provide as much of a contrast with the bed as a white cover would, but it'll do for now. So these are my pillows on the bed. These two on the sides are from Kohl's. And then I bought that cute chevron gold pillow. So I really like that here because it goes with that nice shiny element that the lamp has, as well as the bed studs. And it just goes very nicely with the decor, in my opinion. I just kind of wouldn't want to keep these around for very much longer because I've had them for so many years. I just kind of want to change it up. Now, if we had a Z Gallery store here in Canada, I would run to get the latest pillows from there because their throw pillows are amazing. The closest Z Gallery store to where I live is, I think, in Ohio, which is probably like a 5-hour drive away from me because I'm from Toronto, Canada. So it kind of makes me sad because if Z Gallery decided to expand into Canada, I would be their #1 customer and #1 fan. I love that store so much. But yeah, this is the bed that I got from them and I love it so, so much. So on the other side, this is my husband's side of the bed. So he's just got a bunch of his books there. And then just the same lamp as the other side. I like it when the bedroom is symmetrical. So it was really important for me to be able to get a side table that was the right size and fit to have the queen size bed fit in here as well as the 2 side tables. Oh, actually, I think I forgot to mention the side tables, where they're from. If you haven't been able to tell already, they're actually from the same Weathered Oak Hayworth collection from Pier 1 that my little lingerie chest is from. And this is just the view outside my window. We face a park instead of a house across the street, so that's really nice because I know a lot of people don't have that. So here's just a quick view of what we have here. Here's just a hamper, so no need to see that. So here is a nice bundle of peony flowers that I love. I love peonies. They're my favorite flowers. I think I got this from, not Winners, but HomeSense. HomeSense. So it's a Canadian store here. It's kind of like TJ Maxx. Candles from Bath and Body Works. So these ones I barely burn. I just kind of use them for decor purposes because it just looks pretty. But let's see what the scent is. It's White Barn #1 Nutmeg and Spice. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. I haven't been able to find a candle that smells quite as good as this. My husband's colognes. For now, we're just storing it in this cute little decorative box. So this is my favorite cologne that he has. It's Emporio Armani or Giorgio Armani He. It's the He perfume. It's like a dark gray color. This is a cologne that I bought him years back, and to this day, it's still my favorite cologne that he has. I don't really like him wearing anything else but that because it's definitely my favorite scent. So these are just some nice crystal candle holders that we got from our friends for a wedding gift. So over here is not the prettiest container for storing my sprays and my perfumes. I definitely want to get something that looks prettier here. So in here, my favorite perfume by far is the Fifth Avenue After 5 by Elizabeth Arden. Ironically, I went through a whole perfume bottle of this, and as soon as I bought the second one and used up this much, I ended up getting a new perfume that I loved even more. It's the L'Occitane Roses perfume. So that one by L'Occitane, De Roses perfume, I think it's called, has definitely replaced my favorite perfumes here. Again, so I like for things to be symmetrical, so I have a candle here and a candle there, the perfumes here and the colognes there. And this is my favorite. This is my favorite gift that I actually got from my husband when he went to India. Beautiful marble, precious stones in it. It's beautiful. I actually kept the description here. Let me just see what the description says. It says the process of inlay work is the ancient way of decorating marble with various kinds of semi-precious stones. This work is as old as the Taj Mahal and the Taj is decorated all over with the inlay of semi-precious stones. So here's the list of stones. So basically, the Taj Mahal in India has been built with the use of this very same method that they used to build this jewelry box, which is so amazing and so impressive. They basically cut each stone to fit in the holes that they made for it perfectly, so that when you run your hand along it, it's perfectly smooth. And here is my little teddy bear on top of this wicker. It's like a little storage bin, I guess. But if you guys look a little closely, you can see it looks worse for wear. This is my cat's doing. This is Moki's scratching post, apparently. So he adopted this as his scratching post when we first got him. And we just didn't have the heart to stop him from scratching there because we didn't have a scratching post for him at the time. So I just kind of let him rip this thing to shreds. But you know what? I'd much rather have him scratch that than scratch my bedpost, which he has here and there. So actually what we did is put double-sided tape along the end. So hopefully that keeps him from scratching more of it. But yeah, ideally I would have bought the dresser to match this set and put it over here. But when I measured it in the store, it just wouldn't have worked. So I'm still on the lookout for that. Stay tuned. Maybe I'll do an updated room tour sometime in the future and I'll show you guys. But for now, this is what we're working with. I was hoping to add a few more pops of color here, maybe of blue, gold. Also thinking of putting up a collage of family photos, either to go on that wall or maybe to go on that wall. I'm still unsure about where I want it to go. So if you guys have any suggestions about what I should put up here, maybe behind the bed. I don't know if there's enough space to kind of put something up there or if it would look tacky. I kind of hesitate to add something to it and then have to be fixing up the wall later. If you guys have any suggestions though, please list it down below. I can't wait to hear from you guys and to see what you guys suggest. And also, I don't know, maybe I can get a more colorful rug here instead of beige. But as you can see, I just love a nice, serene, classic, elegant, simple. And I just like for it to feel very calming and soothing when you're in here. But I would also be open to new ideas of how to make this space a little bit more, have a little more color and personality in here. And I also wanted to point out to you guys that the walls are not actually this yellow. It's kind of like a taupe color. So it's a little bit of a beige and a gray, but it's definitely coming off as more yellow than it actually is. So just thought I'd let you guys know that. It's just the lighting, the lamps are very warm toned, so they make the wall look very warm toned. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. Please like this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. There'll be more videos like this along the way. So anything to do with my cat or home decor or makeup, if there's any video suggestions that you guys have for me, please list them down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!